Hey everybody, thanks for joining us today. With me, I've got Chris Law. He's one of the agents with Volition, and very active on the realty side, purchase as well as lease. And I just wanted to ask a little bit about what's happening in the leasing market because I think a lot of people don't get that kind of insight. So I hand it over to you, Chris. What are you seeing in the last couple of months in the leasing market?
Yeah, thanks so much, Ming. But yeah, definitely, I would say since May to about early September, things have been going on a precipitous increase, quite high. So, we had some leases actually going over asking for and this is
Wow.
this is sort of like reminiscent of pre-COVID. So we're kind of got back to like say we had a two-bedroom lease up in North York area and Queen and Gladstone, and we had like people offering like $100, 150 more, and even saying like 3-4 months prepaid up front. So we had definitely higher demand from spring to like September.
Mhm.
I think because of the increase so drastically, I think pricing has leveled off now in the fall. Like I want to wait and see, but I do feel like prices have stabilized a little bit more now on the leasing side at least.
Cool.
So, but yeah, I'm really curious to know, Ming, because like I know you've been extremely active with our clients as well through the summer, spring, and now early fall. What's kind of going on? Like, what's the sense out
Yeah,
there?
it's been a bit of a funny market. So inventory has come back to a certain degree after Labor Day, as we expected. Kind of inventory hitting the market again, but definitely not as much as we were hoping. It's still a pretty tight inventory market, and because of that, we're seeing some properties just extremely popular. We've been in bidding wars of 2021, like number of people. It's been a little nuts there. And then we've had some properties which may be a little less desirable, but having nothing on those properties, very slow. So it is a bit of a hit and miss, but I'd say if I'm going to gauge it in general, it has been in general a more competitive market. Prices in certain areas, like certain pockets, let's say around Lansdowne, you know, those kind of west side neighborhoods and some neighborhoods on the east side, they've seen a bit of an uptick as well. Things going for more than what we're expecting, which is making it tougher for investors for sure. We're having to be a little more patient to find the right property. But yeah, it's been a bit of a weird market, but definitely a hotter market than we saw through summer. Cool. Well, if you guys want to learn more about what's happening in the Toronto real estate market, check us out online. So we're on Instagram, Volition Properties. You can check out our website, www.volitionprop.com. And of course, come to our meetups. All the information is on our website. And every month we go through a detailed topic. Coming up is laneway houses. And we'll be going through with some of the leaders in the industry, what's happening in the laneway house industry and how it applies to investment properties. So hopefully we'll see you there. Thanks a lot, Chris, for your time today.
Yeah, thanks, Ming. See you guys at the meetup.